Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how you can SEO your YouTube video, how you can rank your video for YouTube video SEO and ranking. I will do competitor analysis, SEO, title and description, related video tag, improve SEO score, create thumbnails related channel tags, as well as I'll use the best tool for video SEO, that is Tubebuddy extension and Vidicube extension. I'll show you practically. Let's come on screen. Enter youtube.com, create, upload video, select file. Here I select my file from the list. My video is uploading. Now for title I used T-Brinker. For description generator, writer.me. And for tag generator, rapid tags. Start writing. Title generator. Create favor account. Generate title. Here are a lot of title. I choose one from the list. Here I write my own title. How to create favor account in 2022. For description, I use writer.me. Continue with Google. Here I select video description. Here I write my title. Create favor account. Medium. Two variant red for me. Learn how to create your first account. Number of variant, I increase the number of variant to 3. Red for me. Here I'll copy my description and paste in the description section. Here I'll add some tag. hashtag favor, hashtag gig. Here I upload my thumbnail. I select from the list. No, it's not made for kids. In the tag section, I'll add tags. So for tag, I'll use Rivet tag. Here I enter title, create favor account, enter. Here a lot of tags show on screen. I'll copy the tag and paste there. Paste in the tag section. Here on the top vidIQ show actionable SEO, that is 48.1 over 50. It's a good score. Comments and rating, I'll take hold potentially inappropriate comments to review. Next. No issued found. No issued found. Next. Public. Click on public. Publish. It's almost done. My video is uploaded. Thanks for watching my video.